Imagine a drone so powerful it makes professional rigs look bulky, yet so light it sits in the palm of your hand without a single FAA registration requirement. Today, we are diving into the shadows of the tech world to uncover the most anticipated release of the next year. This is the one you've been waiting for. Welcome back to Tap Tech. If you are a creator, a traveler, or just someone who obsesses over the perfect shot, you know that the sub-250-gram category is where the real magic happens. It's the loophole that lets us fly without red tape, but it's also the ultimate engineering challenge. How do you fit world-class optics into a featherweight frame? DJI has spent years answering that question, but with the rumored DJI Mini 6 Pro, they aren't just answering it, they are redefining the entire industry. Stick with me until the very end, because we have obtained exclusive details regarding a hardware shift that could make current drones obsolete overnight. We're talking about a leap in sensor technology and AI flight logic that sounds like science fiction. Let's start with the heart of the machine. The current Mini 5 Pro already shocked the world by squeezing a 1-inch CMOS sensor into the Mini series. It was a pinch-me moment for aerial photographers. But the leaks coming out of the supply chain for the Mini 6 Pro suggest DJI is pushing the boundaries of physics even further. While some speculated about an APS-C sensor, the reality is more sophisticated. We are looking at a stacked CMOS architecture. For those who aren't camera nerds, stacked means the processing circuitry is layered directly behind the light-gathering pixels. This allows for lightning-fast data readout. Why does that matter for you? It eliminates rolling shutter almost entirely. When you're banking hard at 30 miles per hour, your vertical lines won't lean, and your fast-moving subjects won't look like jelly. But here is the kicker. 6K resolution. Yes, you heard that right. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to support 6K video at 30 or even 60 frames per second. This isn't just for bragging rights. Having 6K in a sub-250-gram drone means you can crop in during post-production to a perfect 4K frame without losing a single ounce of detail. It's like having a digital zoom that actually works. The biggest complaint with small drones has always been noise. When the sun goes down, the Mini footage usually falls apart. Not this time, with the new stacked sensor and a rumored f1.7. Variable aperture, yes, variable aperture on a Mini. The Mini 6 Pro is being designed as a night owl. Imagine being able to stop down to f4 for maximum sharpness during a bright beach day in Florida, and then opening up to f1.7 for a cinematic moonlit shot of the London skyline. This level of control has traditionally been reserved for the Mavic 3 Pro or the Inspire series. Putting it in a drone that fits in your jacket pocket is a game-changer for professional filmmakers who need to travel light. If you've ever flown a drone, you know that terrifying feeling when you get too close to a tree branch. The Mini 5 Pro introduced LiDAR for night sensing, but the Mini 6 Pro is expected to debut Omnidirectional LiDAR. Current drones use visual sensors, essentially tiny cameras, to see obstacles, but cameras need light. LiDAR uses lasers to map the environment in 3D. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to use a 360-degree laser array that works in pitch-black darkness. This means your Active Track 6.0 will be able to follow you through a dense forest at 2 a.m. with the same precision as a sunny afternoon. For content creators in premium markets who want those moody twilight lifestyle shots, this safety net is worth the price of admission alone. Let's talk about the Plus battery. In the US and Australia, we've been spoiled with the intelligent Flight Battery Plus, which pushed flight times past the 45-minute mark. But the Mini 6 Pro is aiming for the golden hour of flight, 60 minutes. How? It's not just a bigger battery, it's efficiency. New silent flow carbon fiber propellers and more efficient electronic speed controllers mean the drone draws less power to stay level. If DJI hits that 60-minute mark, it officially removes battery anxiety from the equation. You can go up, find your shot, wait for the perfect light, and still have enough juice to fly home safely. We've all seen the signal weak warning on our screens. It's the stuff of nightmares, especially when your $1,000 drone is a mile away. The Mini 6 Pro is slated to bring the O5 transmission system. This isn't just about distance, though a 25-kilometer range is being whispered about. It's about penetration. In high-interference environments like downtown New York or Los Angeles, standard signals struggle. O5 is rumored to use a new frequency hopping algorithm that slices through signal noise like a hot knife through butter. Your live feed will be 1080p at 60 FPS with zero latency, even if there are 1,000 Wi-Fi routers between you and your drone. The leaked renders show a slightly more aggressive look. The arms of the drone appear to have a more aerodynamic profile to handle high winds better. One of the most interesting rumors is the integrated gimbal guard. Instead of that plastic clip we all lose within a week, the Mini 6 Pro might feature a motorized internal locking mechanism that secures the camera the moment you power down. And for the faceless creators out there, listen up. The true vertical shooting mode is getting an upgrade. We're hearing about a 225-degree gimbal tilt. This would allow you to shoot straight up, perfect for flying under bridges or looking up at skyscrapers for those viral TikTok and Reel transitions. If you are in the US, UK, Canada, or Australia, you know that drone laws are getting tighter. The beauty of the Mini series is that it remains under the 250-gram limit. It is the pro drone for people who don't want to deal with the FAA's Part 107 for casual flying or the heavy regulations in London or Toronto. The Mini 6 Pro is DJI's way of saying, you don't have to compromise. You get the image quality of a heavy professional rig with the freedom of a toy. This is the drone that will dominate the 2026 and 2027 travel seasons. Now, the question everyone asks, when can I buy it and how much will it cost? Historically, DJI likes a late-year release cycle, but internal memos suggest a shift. We are looking at a spring 2027 release window. As for price, with all this tech, stacked sensors, LiDAR, O5 transmission, don't expect it to stay at the $750 mark. Rumors suggest a starting price of $890 for the standard RC-N3 bundle, with the Fly More Cinema combo pushing $122.99. Is it expensive? Yes. Is it worth it? If it replaces your need for a Mavic 3 Pro, it's actually a bargain. I promised you, a detail that would change everything. Here it is, Edge AI editing. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to have a dedicated AI neural processing unit inside the drone itself. This would allow the drone to color grade your footage in real time based on the lighting it senses. It could even auto-edit 15-second clips for social media while the drone is flying back to you. You could literally land, sync to your phone, and post a professional-looking reel before you've even packed the drone away. The DJI Mini 6 Pro isn't just a small upgrade, it's a massive leap that bridges the gap between hobbyist and Hollywood. It's the ultimate tool for the modern content creator. If you found this deep dive helpful, do us a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to TapTech. We spend hundreds of hours digging through filings and leaks so you don't have to. What feature are you most excited about? Are you team 6K resolution or team 60-minute battery? Let us know in the comments below. I read every single one of them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Safe flying.